Righto bikers, getting ready to go on tour, Picos, and nearly packed up. Next Friday we go. Should be a good tour, unusual one. Going to take some video. I'm back. Going to take some video. You gonna stay there? Good boy. Coax the spaniel to stay in the car while I make this video. So we're going to make some video while we're away. Across to Caen, down to Burgundy, across into the Picos Mountains, stay there 4 days, back on the ferry to Santander. Pretty simple, hey? So, ready to go. Yes, the number plate will change, don't worry. These Lone Rider bags are absolutely unbelievably good. Totally waterproof. Packed up. And easy to pack once you figure out how to latch everything. I'm really impressed by them. So one of the things I want to talk about today is drones. So we're all ready to go, and my son decides to go out for the day and leave his new toy behind. That is his new toy. Now he said, why don't you fly it down while I'm out? Well, really? Okay, I'll have a go. So I get it out of the box. What's that? It's a hand controller. So basically you control it like that. I'm thinking, whew, toy. Then reach into the box. My box bag here. Really nice bag actually. What are these? These are goggles. This is an FPV drone. I'm a drone pilot. I have Mavic. I have Inspire 2. To me, this is for kids. Well, I love to take the drone on tour. I love to get footage. I had great intentions of Stelvio Pass, getting everybody going up the pass. I had great intentions all around Lake Zurich. I had great intentions in Germany, Baden-Baden, B500. Never happened. Firstly, the drone, taking the drone is a complete pain in the arse. I had a 52 litre Trekker Jivvy top box at the time. I created a lovely foam base for it, picked all the foam out. Complete pain in the arse. So this DJI Avata 2 that he's left here, I thought, well, okay, I'll give it a go. Do you know what? This thing is the easiest thing to fly on the planet. If you think you'd be rubbish at FPV and you'd be scared of this, do not be. I basically connected it all up. It wasn't even connected. I put on the goggles. I wear glasses, as you can see. I twisted these. That compensates for glasses so you can see straight through. That is the battery pack. Nothing, no wires to connect. This is the controller. Basically, hold it like that, twist it like that, twist it like that. The drone turns, pull up, pull down, and there's a little circle in the middle of the screen. So you just follow the circle. I've just taken this out for the first time down to the river in Henley-on-Thames, and I've flown it. No tuition. I flew it in beginner mode for about 10 minutes in the garden, got extremely bored with that. I took it down to the river, and I swear to you, I've never flown FPV before. Can't even say it. Comes in this neat little box, rather than a bloody great slab of plastic like my Mavic Pro controller and all the batteries that go with it. And I think, I haven't looked yet, but I think I've got some pretty good footage. I was dodging trees. I was dodging bushes. I was flying along a hedge line. Me, not some spotty little 18-year-old with super fast reaction times. Me, I did it. And I did it in no time at all. If you're going to look to take a drone on tour with you, if you're going to look to make action-packed videos from a motorcycle, use this. So what I'm trying to say is, this little drone, this palm-sized, flipping, minuscule, I mean, look how small it is. Let's get the camera to work. See how much of a technophobe I am? That's my foot. Alright? There's my foot. That is tiny. There's a size 9 desert boot. Tiny. For me to be able to pick this up and fly it like I've just done, well, you be the judge. Have a look at the footage. See, I can't even control this camera. So you be the judge. You have a look at the footage. I swear to you, I did this. It wasn't my son. It was me, and it was the first time I've ever flown it. Well, I just cannot believe it. So to put one of these in your tour pack, get a couple of nice shots of your tourers, fellow riders, riding along. You can fly alongside them. Well, we'll find out. But my Mavic sold the other day. Some guy called me up and wants to come and collect it. So it's going to be gone. And I seriously think that this is going to be a potential contender for my Mavic. Not as good a picture quality, admittedly, but why bother, you know? It's good enough. Well, we'll see in a minute. So I'm going to put it up. You be the judge of it. But I swear to you, firstly I was sceptical because of the glasses, because it's got these little diopters that you change, and that works. And then I was sceptical because of this. I thought, oh God, what's that going to do? So forwards, backwards. That's a good idea, isn't it? Forwards, backwards. Press that, it stops instantly. It just jams its brakes on. But yeah, I'm converted. I think he might have lost this. I might tell him to go and order another one. Anyway, take a look at the video. It's not me being DJI sponsored. This is bought by my own son's money, not by my money, and flown by me for the first time. Take a look. Bye bye.